Welcome everyone to my new video on Cardano price analysis and technical details of the day. We're actually on 17th of June 2023. Scrembo here, taking care about you in the most rational way possible. By the way, make sure to check out our main YouTube channel where we have videos about ChatGPT, bot trading, and many other things that are very interesting. You might be interested in this new version of the bot trading, especially by seeing the performance on the weekly side, seeing our live trades, as well as you can join without any prior fee. Only commission from the pure profits we achieve. Trading goes through API permission, completely outsourced. I'll talk about it at the end. What's happening with Cardano, guys? Well, it's quite interesting. We have been seeing major dumps on the board. You will see that very soon on the charts. Actually, the numbers are not looking that bad for the past 7 days, but right before that, the markets were suffering a lot. So currently it's 12.28%, and out of the top 10 cryptos, Cardano is recovering faster, and this is a great sign of their community trust into the token, which is something that I share, guys. And I am not only speaking about it, but I basically underline such aspects. At the same time, the 24 hours movement is just following the markets a little better than what's happening all around the corner. On top of that, it's also the trending. Cardano is ranked number 3 in the trendings, so it's having a good time, in other words. Now, let's see what's happening on the charts, because this is where the big deal starts. We have been going through a downtrending channel in this part of the charts, and then a range has started. Unfortunately, we got the SEC issues with Binance and Coinbase, and you guys know about them. This one's affected the crypto market at a major level, which means the altcoins have lost big time. It wasn't the same story with the BTC, because we were not having 30%, 40% decreases with the BTC. We barely had a 12% decrease compared to Cardano, and let me share with you. So we're gonna measure this, guys. So at the bottom, 42%. Can you imagine to have a portfolio in Cardano of $1 million that sits in spot, so you got tokens worth of 1 million, and in 5 days, because of such news, it's down $420,000. Can you actually imagine that? Well, that's a lot, guys. You're sitting slightly above $500,000 from such an account, and that's quite of a big pain. Takes time to recover, and this cryptocurrency will recover. It's very important not to sell during these conditions, which is something a lot of the people did, which is why we have 42% decrease, because people sold. So I'm very sorry, but at the times people sold. Major guys bought into everything that's over there. Major guys, major whales have reaccumulated into Cardano at 24, 25 cents, 26 cents, and on top of that, on the level of 2 Fibonacci retracement, which is a round number, it actually sits on 23 cents. Major whales got into the order blocks. We have seen the order book, and we have seen the large purchases they made. Take a look at the rejection here, up to the pump, 31%. The price has been pushed up in 3 days and 8 hours. This is what we call a V-shaped recovery, which is usually ending in a reaccumulation stage at the bottom here. And this is giving time for the people to snipe some great entries and reaccumulate some great positions, which is why I really enjoy that. Now, we have stability at this level. We have a level of certainty which is aiming upwards. It's just a matter of time, especially for the ones trading on leverage, to be entering on the right timing, because otherwise the exchanges will seek to take you out of your positions by hitting your stop losses or liquidations before the market spikes. So be careful, guys. During this stage, you need to be very patient. something that usually would teach people on how to handle such situations. In the coaching, by the way, we have this one-on-one coaching for those of you who would like to become traders, extra income, and generate basically a good lifestyle. Make sure to check out a coaching program where I'll take care about you live in a private mentorship. Between 4 to 6 weeks intensively, we're going to work together in order for you to become a professional trader and go on the right directions from A to Z, guys. This is a website describing how does it work, and then you can qualify for a free conversation with me if you think this is for you. At the same time, if you don't want to trade by yourself, you can check out our bot trading. So this is basically the way it's functioning. By the way, all the links are in the description area and the comments area of the video. Right below the video, you see all the links. That's it, folks, for the moment. We're looking for the range appearing over here between 1.414 and 2 Fibonacci, the round number. Those are two levels where the big deal will actually happen, and then a retest at some point will occur on the sort of way we had a demand zone over there. Now it will act as a supply, so that's going as a magnet. It will attract the price action, especially we have a lot of liquidity here. There's a lot of liquidity in those candlesticks, so the markets will have to take that liquidity out. That's it, folks, for the moment on Cardano. I'm not gonna keep you longer. We're doing daily updates. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and have a good time by checking everything that could be useful for you in the description area. Talk to you soon, folks.